right before it happens. So, as you mentioned there, appreciate you bringing that up. Mark Chandler, as always, thank you so much for being here with us. Anything you want to add before I let you go?
No, Josh, we're just in this delicate balance right now. We're in there. I just touched on the ambiguity comment that we said. A lot of people want to see a definitive answer. We said Iran needs to talk, or we're going to take action. In past administrations, there's been that talk of you need to do what we're asking or do what we're saying, or we'll take action, and then there's no action. And so I think we've got a deterrence level. As I said, probably a couple of weeks of making that final definitive military decision.
Mark Chandler, as always, we appreciate you being here. Thank you so much.